Hello friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. Today 23rd June 2020, we'll discuss for how to trade tomorrow. So what are the stocks maximum gains today? So straight away we'll go to the this is a heat map. See, today the maximum gainer in Nifty is L&T, then Bajaj Finance, IndusInd Bank, NTPC, Hindalco, Power Grid, Infratel, and the maximum loser is Reliance. So tomorrow we have to concentrate on intraday basis. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stocks: Infratel, Power Grid, Hindalco, NTPC, IndusInd Bank, and Bajaj Finance, L&T. These stocks we can just monitor on our daily monitor radar. So any intraday opportunity for buying, or maybe in a resistance area where we can take a sell and take out our profit, that intraday trading we can do it. So this is for Nifty, and we'll see if you see this, the Nifty has given a decent profit today. It has given 159 points up. Official closing price is 10,471, but actual last trading price is 10,483. So decent rally was seen in the index. And if you see the Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty, see yesterday I think we discussed about Bandhan Bank, so we have to monitor Bandhan Bank. So Bandhan Bank has given a decent up move of 12%, and IndusInd Bank 6%, PNB, Federal Bank, Axis Bank, RBL, most of the banks are in green. So Bank Nifty also given a decent profits today. For tomorrow in Bank Nifty we have to observe these 5 banks: Bandhan, IndusInd, PNB, Federal, and Axis. So these 5 banks you can keep in your radar for intraday trading. And now we go to technical chart of Nifty. So this is the daily chart of Nifty. Yesterday in my video I explained we have to trade only on breakouts of the Nifty. So this is the breakout level. This is around 400. So after breaking out 400, it has given about 70 points profit. So on the downside it has not given any breakout. So this is mostly this is the breakout of Doji. Here also the Doji breakout has given a rally, and this has given the next target for Nifty is 10,750 in coming days. May not be this series, maybe the July series. So in my previous videos I explained in this series it will test 10,450. So today it tested that level. So simple calculations, simple trading strategies. So only thing is we have to follow strict rules and we can make money. So how to trade tomorrow? Tomorrow is a choppy day. We can expect a choppiness in the market. So any intraday dip towards 10,380 kind of levels, this zone. So I'll give you the zone, this zone. So 10,380 and 350 kind of levels we can enter as a intraday buying, and keeping a stop loss of 50 points and aim for 100 or 120 points as a profit in Nifty. And if you see the Bank Nifty, I'm expecting this will test tomorrow this level, 22,413. Yesterday also we discussed about this level. So tomorrow we can expect this level may be tested. But for entry purpose we have to enter only on intraday dip if the price comes to this area. The area is here. So if the price comes to around 21,990 kind of levels, we can enter for a long trade and keeping a 100-point stop loss and aim for a target of 22,400 for the Bank Nifty. The momentum is up. So once the Bank Nifty closes above 22,400, then we can expect all the way to 23,600 or 700 kind of levels. We'll see where that will go in next coming days. So for the time being, for this series, 22,400 may be cap. Okay. So now we'll see two stocks for intraday trade tomorrow. One is Naukri. So we'll see the Naukri. Today it has given a decent breakout. So this is Naukri daily chart. If you see this level, this level has given a breakout here also, and this is the breakout. So 28.75 after given a breakout, it almost went near about 100 points and small dip. So tomorrow how to trade this stock? We'll have a trade plan on a 15-minute chart. So this is the rally today morning and a small dip and rally. So this area will give you a decent support tomorrow. So our entry will be somewhere here, 2900. So today closing is 2950. So if the price drops to another 50 points down, that could be our entry, keeping a stop below this zone. So 28.75. It is a 25-point stop loss and aim for a target today high, almost today's high. So this is for Naukri. The another stock is Emami. So Emami. This is Emami. If you see, so it is nearing to the supply. There are two ways we can trade this stock tomorrow. If the price comes to this supply area, we can sell and keep a stop loss above 238. So our selling area is here. So here 233. If the price comes to 233, we can sell, keep a stop loss 238 and aim for a target of 1:2. Suppose we are losing around 4 rupees there, we can aim for a target of 8 rupees on the downside. So another setup is, if the price comes lower side, we can go for a long entry and aim for a target of 230. That we'll see on a 15-minute chart. So this is the Emami rally, base rally. So this base area will give you a decent support tomorrow. If the price comes to this area, we can buy. So this is my entry around 216, keeping a stop below this. So 3 rupees 50 paisa is my stop loss and my target is here. This is my target. So two ways. One way, if the price goes in the zone on supply, we can sell and keeping a stop loss above supply zone. And if the price comes down and test this level, we can go for a long entry and keeping a stop loss of 3 rupee 50 paisa and aim for a target of 10 rupees. So this way we can have a plan tomorrow for two stocks, Naukri and Emami. Friends, whatever the news may be, the entire news in the market is negative in the entire thing, but the market is going up every day. It is going up. So only any reversal signal comes, then only market may fall. Until then, in my opinion, please don't go for shorting the market. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe.